Hello, curious people. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration of a cool new tool I found online called Krisp. This is the tool. I just signed up using a email and this is what it looks like. This tool is primarily a noise cancellation tool for your microphone and it can be used for speakers also. I found primarily useful with my microphone. I'm going to give you a demo of my surrounding sounds. Let's see. I'm going to open the Windows default voice recorder, and on my mobile phone on the side I will put some ambient sound like fan noise or traffic noise, whatever it is. Now I think you can listen. I think you can't listen to that because I am recording with Krisp in my Camtasia recording session, but I will show you the demo nonetheless in a couple of minutes. Now I have turned on the loud fan noise. Now I'm going to record my voice in the recorder option. Let's see. Hello, curious people. This is a voice recorder demo with loud fan noise and crisp noise cancellation turned on. Now I have turned off the loud fan sound on my mobile phone and I still have some ambient noise. Let's view the audio. Hello, curious people. This is a voice recorder demo with loud fan noise and crisp noise cancellation turned on. As you can see, even though I have fan noise turned on, it did not pick up a single thing in my voice recorder. Maybe you didn't even heard it because I am using the default speaker as Krisp, default mic as the Krisp software. Let's see the sound controls. Typing mmsys.cpl will open the control panel for the sounds. As you can see, I have installed Krisp speaker and I have a blue snowball mic, but I use the Krisp microphone as the default one, which will cancel all the background noise and will only give my voice as the output. Now let's see the properties. As you can see, it has 100% and it is using this. Now I'm going to go to the snowball one and check the sound levels. Let me keep the blue snowball as a default mic. Now that I have blue snowball as a default one, let's see if you can hear the difference in the video. Now I'm going to turn on the loud fan noise in my phone and record a snippet. Hello, curious people. I have turned on the loud fan noise in my mobile phone and speaking to the mic. I hope you can hear the sound because of the default mic. I'm not using any Krisp. I have now turned off the fan noise in my phone. Let's hear the audio. Hello, curious people. I have turned on the loud fan noise in my mobile phone and speaking to the mic. I hope you can hear the sound because of the default mic. I'm not using any Krisp. See, now you have understood the difference of my mic quality. The mic is a good one, but still using the tool like Krisp actually removed all the background noises and echoes. It doesn't remove just fan noises or ambient sound. It can remove high pitch sound, baby crying sounds and traffic sounds. I have no idea that a tool like this existed, so I am thinking to go to Pro. As you can see, when I am recording this video, it is continuing the Krisp session. Let me use the default mic to record now. Hello, curious people. This is a new session with Krisp turned off. I am using the normal mic and I have not even touched the Krisp settings. It may show it's running. Now I have turned on the fan noise. As you can see in my sound control panel, the blue snowball is the default one and I have a Krisp microphone turned off. I'm not even using that. This is how it usually sounds in my home when I record a video or when I talk to somebody. I hope you can understand the difference between both of them, and I like this tool. Maybe I will find a new tool that is a alternative to Krisp, which is free or something like that. Hello curious people, I have found the alternative for Krisp noise canceller, and that is Equalizer APO. This software is used to give a equalizer for your system wide. As you can see here, a system wide equalizer, and it is mostly used to provide equalizer for your speakers, but I have recently found that there are extensions that you can install to this APO equalizer. So let's download this and install it. Click next, install, and that's it. After the installation is done, see, as you can see, it is asking where do you want to install APO. I'll just select all because I want to work the APO with everything. But to be frank, you only need the equalizer driver to be installed on like the mics and speakers that you really want to control. I'm just being cautious and installing on everything. It's not a big deal, but when you click on it, it is saying this dialog can be opened anytime by launching configurator. We can reconfigure the driver installations later also. Click OK, and it is saying we have to reboot to install the drivers clearly. I will reboot later. Let me show you the extensions for this Equalizer APO, that is Equalizer APO noise suppression. No need to read it, just search that and you will get a GitHub page called noise suppression for voice. Go to this page, github.com/verman/noise suppression for voice, and this is a plugin, like as you see VST2 and VST3. I don't know what this means, but one thing that I understood after reading and going through the documentation is you just use this extension and install it on a mic, and it will suppress most of the mic noise. As you can see, there are multiple versions for multiple operating systems. Since I am on Windows, I will download the WinZip and just download that. It's done. Go to the folder and extract it. Go to 7-zip and extract to local folder. Since that's done, let's just go to the Equalizer APO and install that. As you can see, there are a lot of things. It's called configuration editor. Currently this doesn't work because we still didn't reboot the system, but let's just set up before that. I'm going back to the speakers and capture devices. In the capture devices, I'm selecting the blue snowball. This is my default mic, as you have read before, and I'm deleting everything. Yes, every setting, and I'm just going to click on control device, select selected devices, and select the blue snowball and click OK. Click one, include configuration file, and this will create a file. We can create a file called microphone noise suppress. This file will be created. If you don't have, they have to create it. Right click on the folder and click a new text file and name that. Select the file and click open. Now what we are doing is, for this device we are selecting this config and we are opening that config in a new file. Click on that. Actually remove the device here and go to the text and click on the down arrow. Click on the plus, go to the control, select device, click on change and select the microphone. Now as you can see, I have selected the capture device with the blue microphone, and I'm gonna click on plus, go to the plugins, click on VST plugin and select the plugin that we downloaded. Since there is no plugin in the default folder, we have to copy our latest one. Go to the downloaded Win Noise folder, go to the VST folder and copy both, and then go to the VST place and select paste. It's going to ask for administrator rights because we are copying the file to C drive. Give the access and it's done. Just select R noise mono, open. That's it. Now you can add many other filters or options for this mic as your input. As you can see, there is a analysis panel showing some curve where this filters the entire work, and when you disable it, it's a flat line. That means it doesn't filter anything. Now we can just save this and maybe restart our system to see the demo. Let's do that. I'm going to close everything and I will come back after the system is rebooted. Okay. Hello curious people, I have restarted my PC now. As you can see in the previous section, I have set up the new text file with the mic and I have installed the plugin. Currently it is turned off and it is turned on in the normal config. Now let us go and check a demo. I think you can hear my mic and there is some ambient noise in my environment. Let me just turn on the traffic sounds on my phone to see if you can hear me. I hope you can hear my voice in this traffic sounds. I have turned off the traffic sounds. Now let me go and record a voice clip. These two are the clips from Krisp on and off. Now let me record a normal audio clip with traffic sounds. Hello curious people, this is a recording section with traffic noise on and no configs or nothing turned on. Everything is default. As you can see, there is a lot of background noise. I have turned off the background noise. Now let's use next one. Let's replay the existing one and check the output. Hello curious people, this is a recording section with traffic noise on and no configs or nothing turned on. Everything is default. As you can see, there is a lot of background noise. I have turned off the background noise. Now let's use next one. As you heard, there is a lot of background noise. You might get an echo. It is because I'm recording with mic and PC, so you have to bear with it. I'm sorry with that, but I have turned on the traffic noise and you heard it with no configs. This is the default behavior of my PC. That's what I wanted to improve. So I'm going back to the APO. I'm going to the microphone config and I'm turning on the plugin, nothing else. As you can see, there is some config with the noise cancellations like this. So now I'm going to record the audio again with the same background noise. Let's see. Hello curious people, I have turned on the background noise and now I'm speaking normally. Hope you can hear only my voice instead of the traffic sounds. I have now stopped the traffic sounds. Let's listen to the recording with config turned on, the extension. Hello curious people, I have turned on the background noise and now I'm speaking normally. Hope you can hear only my voice instead of the traffic sounds. I have now stopped the traffic sounds. Well, this is a bit better because this plugin is allowing a bit of a traffic sound and is able to clearly listen to my voice, while this Krisp software which I disabled currently is emphasizing my voice and making it sound like a little robotic. I think I will use the Krisp software for a couple of weeks and try to see it. Otherwise, I'm just going to go for this APO noise mono reduction software, which is a simple extension to enable and disable. I think that's a better opportunity for me. Let's see for a while. If you have any other applications that does the same, comment them below. Okay then. See you in the next video guys. Bye.